Every year, on March 12th, Mauritius celebrates a day of deep meaning and vibrant celebration, Mauritius Day. This is not just a date on the calendar, but a moment that unites the entire nation in joy and remembrance. It's a time for the nation to reflect on its past, celebrate its present, and dream about its future. Families gather to share stories, and communities come together to honor the journey that has shaped their identity. The island buzzes with excitement, from Port Louis to coastal villages, as everyone feels a sense of pride and belonging. Streets are filled with laughter, music, and the vibrant colors of the Mauritian flag waving in the breeze. Mauritius Day marks two significant moments: independence from British rule in 1968 and becoming a republic in 1992. These milestones are etched into the heart of every Mauritian, reminding them of the struggles and victories that paved the way for today. These events symbolize freedom, self-rule, and national identity. They are a testament to the courage and determination of the people who fought for a brighter future. Imagine an island bursting with color, sound, and flavor. That's Mauritius Day. Streets come alive with parades, fireworks, and the aroma of delicious local dishes filling the air. It's a sensory experience capturing the nation's soul, reflecting its unique character and cultural harmony. The music, the food, and the dances all tell the story of a people who have learned to celebrate their differences. The celebrations showcase the resilience and spirit of the Mauritian people. No matter the challenges faced, the islanders stand together, stronger and more united than ever. For anyone who has tasted a Mauritian curry or heard Sega music, this day makes perfect sense. The flavors and rhythms are woven into the fabric of daily life, and on Mauritius Day, they shine even brighter. It's about celebrating a unique blend of cultures and honoring the struggles and triumphs that shaped the island. The parades and gatherings are a living tapestry of the nation's diversity. Mauritius Day is a living celebration of what it means to be Mauritian. It's a day when every heart beats with pride and every voice joins in the chorus of unity. It's a promise to future generations that unity, diversity, and freedom will always be cherished. The values celebrated today are the foundation for tomorrow's dreams. The day is filled with joy, reflection, and immense national pride. Families and friends gather to share meals, laughter, and memories, strengthening the bonds that hold the nation together. It's a testament to the journey the country has taken and a hopeful look forward. Each Mauritius Day is a new chapter in the ongoing story of the island's progress. The island's diverse cultures come together in peace and harmony. This unity is the true strength of Mauritius, and it shines brightest on this special day. Mauritius Day is more than a historical event. It's a celebration of identity. It's a reminder that every Mauritian, no matter their background, is part of a vibrant shared story. It's a day to be thankful for the past and hopeful for the future. Wishes are made and hopes are renewed as the nation looks ahead with optimism. The day embodies the spirit of a thriving nation built from a complex history. Mauritius Day is a living, breathing reminder of how far the island has come and how much further it can go together. The story of Mauritius Day begins long before 1968, stretching back through centuries of history, struggle, and hope. It is a journey towards freedom, marked by the footsteps of countless Mauritians who dreamed of a better tomorrow. For many years, Mauritius was a British colony, and its people longed for self-governance and the right to shape their own destiny. This dream of independence was passed down through generations, fueled by a deep love for their island and a desire for dignity and equality. Sir Wusagur Ramgoolam, known as the father of the nation, emerged as a guiding light, leading the people on a peaceful path to independence. He brought together Mauritius's diverse communities, people of different cultures, faiths, and backgrounds, uniting them under a common goal. On March 12, 1968, the British flag was lowered, and for the first time, the flag of Mauritius was raised high above the island. It was a deeply emotional moment, filled with tears of joy and pride, symbolizing a new beginning for all Mauritians. Independence was not just a political change. It transformed the spirit of the people, inspiring hope and confidence. They became citizens of a free nation, entrusted with the responsibility to build and shape their own future together. The journey had just begun, with new challenges and opportunities waiting on the horizon. The people of Mauritius now had to create their own laws, build their economy, and decide how their society would function. They forged a unique identity on the world stage, showing the world what a united and independent Mauritius could achieve. Independence brought a new sense of identity and pride, especially to the younger generations who would carry the nation forward. The cheers of the crowd echoed hope and promise for the future as dreams once thought impossible became reality. The island was finally free to choose its own path, to navigate its own destiny in the world. The hard work and vision of leaders like Ramgoolam and the determination of the people had paid off. The desire for independence had grown stronger each year, uniting the nation in a common cause. Mauritius was finally an independent nation, ready to write its own story for generations to come. After gaining independence in 1968, Mauritius took another major step. For 24 years, it remained a constitutional monarchy within the Commonwealth. Many felt Mauritius needed its own head of state to be truly independent. On March 12, 1992, Mauritius became a republic, coinciding with the independence anniversary. The last Governor-General became the first president, marking a proud moment. This transition showed Mauritius as a mature democracy. The change was peaceful, reinforcing the nation's identity and self-governance. Mauritius remained in the Commonwealth, now as a republic. Mauritius Day celebrates both independence and becoming a republic. It honors the leaders who fought for freedom and guided the nation. The transition completed the circle of freedom, cementing Mauritius's status as a proud independent nation. Mauritius is often called the Rainbow Nation, a blend of cultures from Africa, Asia, and Europe. Each group brought traditions, languages, religions, and food, creating a rich cultural landscape. Indian, Chinese, African, and European influences are visible in temples, festivals, music, and architecture. Mauritians live together, respecting and celebrating each other's beliefs. This peaceful coexistence is a remarkable achievement, showing that diversity can create something beautiful. On Mauritius Day, this multicultural fabric is on full display. Celebrations showcase traditional dances, music, and diverse cuisines. The island's diversity is its greatest strength, a living example of unity in diversity. It's a powerful reminder of the harmony that defines Mauritian society. The day celebrates the island's unique identity and cultural richness. On March 12th, Mauritius transforms into a grand stage for celebration. A day when the island nation bursts into a vibrant display of culture and unity. Schools and businesses close, and people fill the streets for festivities, creating an atmosphere of joy and excitement that is palpable everywhere. The official celebrations at Champ de Mars in Port Louis include a flag-raising ceremony attended by high-ranking officials, a moment of pride and patriotism. The Grand Parade features police, Coast Guard, and youth organizations marching proudly, showcasing the strength and unity of the nation. Cultural performances showcase the island's diversity with traditional dances and music, reflecting the rich heritage of Mauritius. Beyond official events, local communities organize their own festivities, bringing neighbors together in celebration. Streets are decorated with strings of flags and lights, and concerts feature Sega music, adding to the festive atmosphere. Families gather for meals, sharing food that reflects the island's culinary heritage, a true feast for the senses. The national flag is displayed everywhere, and people wear its colors with pride, symbolizing their love for the country. The national anthem, Motherland, is sung with passion and pride, echoing through the streets and hearts of the people. The day is a powerful expression of national unity, bringing together people from all walks of life. Mauritians come together to celebrate their shared identity and love for their island, a testament to their enduring spirit. The spirit of Mauritius Day is infectious, felt everywhere, as people dance, laugh, and celebrate together. It's a time of feasting, laughter, and togetherness where every moment is cherished. The day strengthens the bonds between people, celebrating their beautiful island home and the unity that defines them. The national flag of Mauritius, Les Quatre Bandes, is a powerful symbol. Each color represents a unique aspect: red for freedom, blue for the ocean, yellow for independence, and green for nature. Adopted on Independence Day, March 12, 1968, the flag is a source of pride. On Mauritius Day, it's displayed everywhere, unifying the nation. The flag represents the harmony and unity of Mauritius's diverse people. The national anthem, Motherland, is an auditory symbol of peace, justice, and liberty. Composed by Philippe Gentil, it calls for unity and pride in the country. When sung on Mauritius Day, it creates a powerful sense of connection. The anthem is a prayer for the nation, reminding Mauritians of their values. Together, the flag and anthem are the heartbeat of the nation. They symbolize the identity, struggles, and aspirations of the Mauritian people. The flag and anthem are constant reminders of the nation's journey. They embody the spirit of Mauritius, uniting its people in pride and hope. Mauritius Day is a time to dream about the future. Protecting the environment is a key focus, with initiatives for sustainability and climate change. Embracing technology offers new opportunities for growth and innovation. Future celebrations might include digital elements connecting Mauritians worldwide. Investing in technology can create jobs and keep Mauritius competitive. The future lies in its youth. with a focus on education and skill development. Mauritius Day can inspire the next generation to be creative leaders. Supporting young artists and blending traditional and modern arts will keep culture vibrant. New festivals and exhibitions can explore cultural identity in exciting ways. The island's artistic soul will continue to evolve, telling Mauritius's story. The future of Mauritius Day will celebrate multicultural arts in new ways. By encouraging creative energy, Mauritius ensures its culture remains relevant. The island's future is bright, with dreams of innovation and inclusivity. Mauritius Day is a time for celebration and reflection on challenges ahead. Climate change threatens the island's coastline and biodiversity. Sustainable solutions are crucial for future prosperity. Economic growth and stability require diversification and innovation. Creating jobs for educated youth is essential for a strong economy. Social unity is vital in a diverse nation, promoting understanding and respect. Addressing these challenges requires courage, vision, and collective effort. Mauritius has overcome past challenges with resilience and unity. The same spirit will navigate future complexities, building a better Mauritius. Mauritius's greatest strength is its people and their unity. Diversity is a source of strength, not a weakness. Mauritius Day celebrates unity in diversity, with everyone coming together. This shared sense of belonging holds the nation together. Unity has allowed Mauritius to build a peaceful and prosperous society. Facing future challenges requires collective effort and creativity. The future belongs to all, built on mutual respect and common good. Mauritius Day is a celebration of an idea, a small island as a global example. It shows that diverse people can create a peaceful, democratic society. The legacy of Mauritius is its harmony, and its future lies in unity. Protecting and nurturing this gift is essential for the nation's identity. In unity and diversity, Mauritius finds its enduring strength.